PSD to PNG for After Effects works in tandem with Uniquizer for Photoshop to make your projects render much faster. PSD to PNG allows you to replace multiple PSD layers from an imported PSD file in After Effects with PNG files. But it works only with uniquely named layers, and that's where the Uniquizer comes to our rescue. It is a script for Photoshop that removes spaces and other special characters and adds numbering to essentially make every layer unique. Uniquizer has PhotoshopToSpine from EsotericSoftware built in to seamlessly export the uniquely renamed layers. Now let's see how PSD to PNG works. It batch replaces the PSD files in your After Effects project with PNGs. Let's render the project with PSD layers imported from Photoshop. It took 2 hours and 13 minutes. Now let's export our PSD to PNG sequences. But first, we need to make sure that our layers have unique names. We choose File, Scripts, Uniquizer, and click Export. Choose the path to save the PNG sequences. Now we will replace our PSD layers with the PNG sequences and render. It now renders in 31 minutes.